If you've ever joined a busy Telegram group and felt overwhelmed trying to find one specific message, link, name, or keyword, this video is going to save you a ton of time. Today, I'm showing you how to search in a Telegram group quickly and easily so you can find exactly what you need without scrolling forever. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, open Telegram on your phone or desktop, and then open the group you want to search inside. This is important because Telegram search works best when you're inside the exact group where the message or keyword was posted. Once the group is open, look at the top right corner of your screen and click the magnifying glass icon. That is the search tool for the group. When you tap or click it, a search bar will appear. Now type the word, phrase, or part of a message you're looking for. You can search for things like a username, a topic, a link, a product name, a file name, or even just one keyword from a conversation. As soon as you start typing, Telegram will begin showing matching results inside that group. On the left side, you'll see all the results that match your search, and you can browse through them to find the exact message you need. If there are a lot of results, try using a more specific keyword to narrow it down. If you only remember part of the message, even a few words can still help Telegram find it faster. Once you spot the result you want, just click it and Telegram will take you directly to that message in the group. This makes it so much easier to find important posts, old announcements, shared links, or anything else buried deep in the chat history. So that's the simple way to search in a Telegram group. Open the group, tap the magnifying glass, type your keyword, and review the results on the left side. It's fast, easy, and one of the most useful Telegram tricks to know. If this helped you out, make sure you like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.